Hello and welcome back again, my friend. Today's P500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, and the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, and I'm so sorry that too long I haven't put for you any video here about the US stock and the Nasdaq and the DXY. But we came back again because, as you know, I've been not at home. I've been traveling for some time. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here, that the SP500, what it's doing here, give us here a very clear here, head and shoulder here in the daily, as you see it. And it's breaking for us the neckline down here, as you see it. And even it's breaking down the 200 moving average here. But today, after the CPI data came, it's showing here as if it's going back up, but not clear, as you see it. Because US market or US economic, they still have those problems here. And the SP500, it touching here the 200 moving average, and it couldn't break it above again. So till now us here, I'm talking here about the daily, we're still in a downtrend, because as I show you, we got here a very clear head and shoulder like that. Look at it, very clear. So even though one you need to be focused about it. Yes, we got in all the indicators we entered the oversold, but it's not yet. Me personally, I think the SP500 is still falling down, because as you see here, if you came here and you're making that trend line, me I make now here, from here and here, as you see it's getting broke here, and also here we're analyzing at the daily time frame. So maybe you're going to go back again inside, but till now there is nothing yet here. It's going now to the 4 hours to analyze it for you for swing trading to see what is it there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, we are in a downtrend. As you see it, it's breaking for us the 200 moving average here in that level here. So it's showing it's falling down, as you see it. Then it go back, it touches here. Now it's showing it's falling down more. Yes, today it showed that nice going back up here, but it's still falling down, because as you see, also we have here a down channel now here. I'm talking here just about 4 hours here. As you see it, it's a very nice down channel. It touched the lower of it here. Now either it's going to go back up and to touch the top here, then after that it will falling down again. So for the long, now there is no long. It's just waiting that correction here to happen to here maybe or something. Then after that you enter short again. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So here in the SP500 here in the 4 hours, it's looking, it's still falling down more than that. Yes, because today it came the CPI data. It's showing here like it's going to give us here a double bottom here. And even that one you need to be focused about it, that double bottom here. As I told you, it gave us here a double bottom here, as you see it. Even that one you need to be focused about it, if it's going to break for us the neckline here or no. By the way, to see the double bottom very clear, as you see it now here, if we came here now, we got here a very clear double bottom here. I'm talking here about the SP500. The double bottom, the neckline of it is here at the top here. It's need that one to be broken here for you to enter from here to the 200 moving average, and I don't think so it's going to do it. So now you need to wait in. And here for the short, you got that one. Look with me here, as you see it, and that one here. We got here a smaller wage here. Even that one, you waiting. If it's breaking above here, you enter long. If it fall down here and breaking down here, you enter short again. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here in the 4 hours in the SP500. Our indicator, as you see it, we got here a clear divergence here, as you see it here and here. That's a divergence here. If you came here from that peak here, that one here and that one here, you got here a clear divergence here. So should you enter long? Not yet, my friend. You're just waiting either break to happen above here of that wage here. If we're breaking above here, yes, you can enter till the 200 moving average here, till that one here, as you see it. But it need to break for you here, that line here or that trend line here, for you to enter long, or to break here that double bottom I just show you now, that one here. So that one of two. Everything is too clear here. Now let's going to see the Nasdaq 100 today. So it's going there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Even the one, you remember that sometime when I put that video for you, we used to have here a very nice double bottom here in the daily. It's getting broke here in that level here. It went the market up till here. Now it go back to test it again here. Now I think from here we are going to go back up again, because if you remember what else we used to have here in daily, people they been with us, they remember those things. Here in the daily we used to have here a very nice megaphone. Even in the SP500 we used to have it here like that, and the trend line here, it's being broken here in that level here, exactly here. It's been broken. Look at it, what it done here. It went the market up. Now it go back to test it again. Now I think we are going to go back up. If we break in the last high, which is here, the market is going to go more higher, guys. So here in the Nasdaq 100, it's look like we are in an up trend. There is no downtrend here, but you need to focus about that trend line here. Look at it, how I'm going to draw it. That one here, you came from that low here, that one here, and that one here. So you drawing here a trend line in the daily. Be focused about those things, me, I'm telling you. It's going now to the 4 hours to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100 in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, look at that level here. That level here is very, very, very stronger level here. And the market couldn't break it the first time. And now it go back to it and it couldn't break it here. As you see it, look with me here. If you look in here and here, the market couldn't break that level here. That one here, exactly. It couldn't break it, the market. So that one is a very good signal indicating that the market, it doesn't got no power to push down. That's meant to fall down again. And that's very, very good signal. But for the long, you need to do those things like that. You came here because you got here a down channel. Now look at it, very clear down channel here. Even that one, you need to be focused about it. So now if the market breaking above here in that level here, you can enter long again. So I think picture is very, very clear. But if the market came down and breaking lower here in that level here, you can enter short again. Picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. So it's going there. Our indicator, as you see it, even here in the Nasdaq 100, you got a very clear divergence here. Look at it here and here. Very, very clear divergence here in the 4 hours. That's what it's indicating. It's indicating the market is going to reverse. But should you enter long? Not yet, my friend. It's need the price action to tell you that. The price action you got that one here, the trend line here. If the market came and break it above here, you can enter long. Remember those things. If the market came and breaking above here in that level, you can enter long. Everything is too clear here in the Nasdaq 100. Now let's go into see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY. We started here in the daily to give you a clear picture about those things. Here in the daily, look what we have here. The DXY or US dollar, it tried to give us here a very, very nice head and shoulder here. But till now, we still haven't reached to break the neckline, which is down here. As you see it, we started from here and here. Now, the DXY, it came up till here. Now, it needs to fall down to break for us down here. That means it's going to fall down more, but it needs to break the neckline here. Remember that. You need to break what? The neckline, which is here. So here in the daily, it's not yet. It's still early for you thinking of to enter short. I'm talking here about long-term trading here in the daily. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the DXY or US dollar doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, that one here used to have here like a up channel like that, as you see it, or a uptrend here and here. That uptrend, it's being broke here in that level here, exactly as you see it. Now it's showing as if it's going to fall down, but now is stuck here at that stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it. If you came here to that level here and that one here, you see the DXY or US dollar is stuck here in it again. So even that one, you need to be focused about it, what the market is going to do in the coming hours. Here now you got like a up channel here, as you see it, very clear up channel here. If you came like that, now either the market is going to break that up channel here, then after that it's going to fall down. That for the people they haven't entered yet, if it came and breaking down here, maybe it's going to fall down more, or another scenario is going to go back up to touch the top of that channel. So you need to be focused about those things. Now for you to enter short, you need to wait in that one to break here for you to enter short. If it's not, there is no entry short. For the long, same thing. You just came here to that level here, as you see it, that one here, to that two peaks, that one here and that one here, and you're drawing a line, and down you came to that two like that, and you do it like that. So you got here like a triangle here. You wait in the break to come to happen here in the top for you to enter long. If it doesn't, if it's breaking down here, you can enter short. I'm talking to enter short. You can't enter short only in the US dollar. You need to enter in another pair against the US dollar. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it, it touching here the oversold area. Used to have here a very clear divergence, like how I showed it to you in the Nasdaq 100 and the SP500. Now here you are at the oversold area. Should you buy now? No, my friend, there is no buying yet because you don't got any price action here indicating for you need to enter long. All the price action you got here in the 4 hours, I just show it to you. You got here that one here in the top and that one here down. That's it. The only thing you got now. For you to enter long, it's need that one to come to break above here. For you to enter short, it's need that one to come to break down here. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. The last video will be in here. In 30 minutes, I'm talking just about scalping and day trading. I told you we got here a clear peanut here. You remember that? I told you if it's breaking higher into long, look at it. It's breaking just here. So look where it went. That just for scalping. And the good news here for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is breaking above the 25k level. That very stronger level. But we haven't reached the 26k. That you need to be focused about it. Now here in the Bitcoin, what should we do now? Should we enter long? Should we enter short? For the short, look with me here. Same trend line we said before is going to stay here active. We bring it from down here and here. Till now we haven't got any price action here telling us the market is going to fall down. You need to remember that. And we haven't got any price action here telling us the market is going to go more higher. You need to focus about those things what me I'm telling you. It's need the market at least to do like that, but that one is going to be the chart wave, and I don't think so it's going to be a good idea for you to enter long in the chart wave. Chart wave, look with me. Over here, that the first high, like that. Then what the market done here, it rested like that. Second one here, it rested like that. Now we are in the third one. Third one, that one is for the retail traders. Now, if it rested like that over here, smart people will enter from down here. They started collecting profit. And the dumb people, they enter from the chart wave. So don't be a dumb person and don't enter from the chart wave. Remember that. You wait in the correction, then you try to find a way to enter at that time. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now, also what we will do here in 30 minutes, we will do it like that. Look with me what I'm doing here. A trend line like that, and we wait in that trend line to come to break here for us to enter short. Remember those things what I'm telling you, because there is a correction going to come. If it doesn't come a correction and the market gave us here a price action, we will enter long again. Everything is very clear. The price action I'm going to come when the daily candle finishes, then I'm going to analyze for the Bitcoin at that time. At that time, we're going to have here a price action. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see, it will be in here at the overbought area for long, guys. That's why us, we don't follow indicators, because all those ones, they are majority of the time, they just give you false signal. You need to remember those things. Another thing here, let me show it to you. That way, me, I'm thinking there is a correction going to come. Look here. You see it here? We got here a clear divergence, guys. You see it or no? From that high to that high, that one, compared to that high here and that one here. That way, me, I'm thinking there is a correction going to come. That way, me, I told you from here, they enter only dumb people. So don't be a dumb person. So now, for you to enter short, you're drawing the trend line and you're waiting the break to happen here. That's it. Everything is too clear. But don't close the profit. You enter from down here. You close it just when the trend line is getting broke. If it doesn't get broke, there is no close. Till the future, it give us a price action, and that price action is getting broke. Till now, there is no closing. Maybe it's going to go more higher than that, because if you remember what me I told you in the daily, I told you when we are going to break the 25k, we are going to go to 30k. That's it. Everything is too clear, guys. That's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.